Removing a dent like this doesn't have to require paint and filler, but it does take expertise.
The metal generally has a memory. It wants to go back to the shape that it was stamped out in.
And just the right amount of pull.
That's probably 80% out.
It's long, tedious work.
I brought the metal around the dent up, so we're going to knock all that down.
With a lot of hard knocks.
It's going to be like this for the next couple hours.
At Columbia Dent Company, we believe there's no substitute for your original paint job. So we sweat the details to preserve it.
There is a lot of texture and cleanup left to do.
A lot of body shops offer paintless dent repair, but at Columbia Dent Company, that's all we do.
Let's pull it outside and let's check it out.
And it shows. Get a free quote at ColumbiaDentCompany.com.